group of students that kind of wrote a grant, an internal grant from the college, and got the materials to start it up. They continued to run it with student farm managers and kind of realized like it was getting too big, it was too much work for a student to do and try to balance with class. So we brought in me and Ron, who is a biology professor here and sustainability professor, to kind of provide some guidance and continuity.
Well, the goals are to educate students first and foremost, but the idea would be to eventually have a 1 1/4 acre organic farm in no-till production, heavy veggie production. And we'd like to be able to use compost to make the soil actually retain carbon. So it becomes a sink for atmospheric carbon in the soil. And we can do both grow food and help the climate at the same time.
We're kind of working in conjunction with a composting program started at the school. So we collect the juice pulp from Greens and Grains and the coffee grounds from Roots Cafe, and we compost it here. And then the idea is that, you know, it's a gentle fertilizer that will spread on the fields.
We would like to have grains that can grow in this area because they can support a local brewing industry, hopefully. So it's a very long-term project. It's the requirements for brewing barley are really tight, but we'd like to be able to see if we can do that here. The other goal is to really, 5 years out, is to really have a way that we can take students who are interested in agriculture and then have a way to get them working on their own land right after college.
Me and Ron are employees of the college, and all of the students you see here are interns. So they sign up, they get academic credit to do an internship and research something that has to do with, you know, either growing, or we have a lot of sustainability students, so they do stuff with energy.
I'm in environmental science with wildlife. I'm major in sustainability, conservation, and energy.
So we don't have a well, but we do have, I don't know if you can see our little setup over here. And then we have that solar array that you saw when you first came in. That powers a pump that's under the water tower. And so we pump water up to the top of the tower, and then it's just gravity that feeds the irrigation lines from the top of the tower.